oil, and today, chicken stuffed bread. So let's get to it. Here's everything you need. Salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, oil, about 2 cups of mozzarella, either sun-dried tomatoes or some sort of sweet pepper is good in this, onions, salt, sugar, fresh basil, yeast, flour, warm water, and cooked chicken. So the first thing we're gonna do, like mini breads, is mix the sugar, yeast, and water, the warm water, and then we're going to put in the flour, salt, mix it up, and knead it up. Now all you're gonna do is put your flour in there and then add that liquid that you just mixed. And we'll go ahead and stir this up. Usually when it starts flopping like that, it's about done in the mixer. We're gonna pull that out and let it rest. And all I've done here is oiled that bowl, and then I'm simply going to knead this just a few times. Make it in a nice little ball. And we're just gonna set it in the oiled pan for now. So come back in an hour. Well, it's gonna be 2 seconds for you, but I'll come back in an hour and we'll get this figured out. And while you guys were just sitting there for half a second, I let this rise, tore up the chicken, got it all off the bone, and this is what your bread looks like at this point. This is just a soft dough. Now we're gonna flatten this out. First thing we're gonna do is put some flour down. Has to be perfect. Just kidding. Okay, flour down. Now we're going to take the dough, we're going to put it in there. And you oil that bowl so that it comes out easier. And it never comes out perfectly, but. Okay, so now we're just going to flour up our rolling pin and flatten this up. This about. Now this one pencil width. You can your roll. We can put it in a nice rectangle dish. Okay, like that. First thing goes down is cheese. So cheese is going down first. Mozzarella. Just gonna spread that out. This is roughly 2 cups. I'll put the whole recipe down in the bottom, in the description, like a good YouTuber. Speaking of being a good YouTuber, don't forget to be a good viewer. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your buddies. Okay. We'll put some chicken on here. This is all breast meat. Some onions. And I'm doing sun-dried tomatoes, but you can also do some sweet peppers or anything for a little extra flavor, crunch, whatever you're looking for. And I've got some fresh basil from the hydroponic indoor garden. Just gonna sprinkle that over randomly. A little bit of Italian seasoning. You can do mixed herbs, whatever you want. Starting to look like a pizza. I'm gonna do some fresh ground pepper, black pepper, and the Himalayan fresh ground salt. Now the fun part. We're just gonna start at the end and we're gonna start rolling it super tight. And I won't bore you with this, so we'll do a little time lapse. Okay, so we're gonna wrap that, finish it up, make it nice and tight, pinch off the ends. Make it into kind of a bread shape. And we're going to throw that on the baking pan. We're going to preheat the oven for 180 degrees. Parchment paper on your pan. We're just going to toss this loaf of awesome chicken bread right in there like that. This will continue to proof while the oven preheats. Oven's preheated. You throw it in there for 25 minutes. All right, that's it. There's nothing else to see. Turn the video off. There's nothing. Mm-hmm. It's terrible. Yeah. Don't make this. Oh, that fresh basil. Delete this video. Don't like, subscribe, or anything. See you in the next one. Appreciate you watching. Bearded Eagle. Out.